Retains factory features in select Honda vehicles while functioning with an aftermarket radio. Pre-programmed to retain steering wheel controls. Retains factory auxiliary input. Includes antenna adapter. Included components: module, harness, antenna adapter. Top reviews from the United States. This is a great harness. Once connected, everything just worked, from steering wheel control to antenna to head unit. Installed in Honda CRV, 2007 to 2011, with Sony XAV-AX100 head unit and Honda 817 dash kit. Connected CRUX harness to Sony harness with Posi-Twists, which were really simple to use. A few notes for posterity: should anyone else have this combo, your blue antenna wire should be connected to 12V power red. I routed my parking brake from the head unit to ground, black. Instead of trying to figure out how to wire properly, haven't tested video, nor plan to, but the Sony head unit didn't seem to care. You'll also end up just taping up 3 to 4 other wires that probably won't apply to your factory setup. Also, I was co-founded a bit on what to make of the steering wheel controls since they provide multiple connections, including raw wires to a female 3.5 jack. Long and short, it is likely your unit will just accept a 3.5 male jack for remote steering controls, like in my combo. The extra SWC pieces were unnecessary. Lastly, plenty of videos out there on pulling out your dash to do the install, but not a lot on where to place your mic or USB. I routed my mic up at the moonroof controls. There were pre-drilled holes in the outer plastic, but required me to drill a hole through the inner black plastic and mount with silicone caulk. Happened to have it handy. A bit of a project, but the mic is now completely invisible. As for USB, I routed this through the upper glove box. You may end up needing to drill a hole. The black plastic piece in the back was a pita to try and deal with from above the bottom glove box. Not much room in there. But, in the end, very tidy.